Today we're talking about gross profit and gross margin ratio. These are two terms we use when we're comparing our revenue from a sale of inventory to the cost of the inventory. And basically we're determining how much profit did we make. So let's go ahead and look at an example. So we have these four scenarios, A, B, C, and D. In scenario 1, our sales were $100 and our cost of goods sold were $60. So how much profit did we make? 40 bucks. So let's go ahead and add that. Gross profit. And our gross profit is just our sales minus our cost of goods sold. And in fact, let's put this right in here so you can see it. Sales minus cost of goods sold. Okay, so whatever we were selling for 100 bucks, it only cost us $60 to buy the related inventory, and we made a profit of $40. The gross profit margin, or the gross margin ratio, tells us what percentage of each revenue dollar or sales dollar is profit. So our gross margin ratio is going to be gross profit divided by revenue or sales. Let's click here. Naming conventions consistent. Okay, so it's going to be our total gross profit of $40 divided by the $100 that we sold it for, and that gives us a 40% gross margin ratio. So now if we're selling, I think the example used in the module was sunglasses for $100 and we're buying them for $60, we are making $40 on each sale of sunglasses, and 40% on the gross is our margin. We'll call it a margin, but it's the gross margin ratio is 40%. So 40% of our sales dollars turn into profit. Remember that gross profit is different from net income. So we calculate our gross profit, which is the profit we made from reselling inventory. And then from that, we will subtract our operating expenses, things like rent, salaries, insurance, depreciation, really anything that's not related to the inventory. Those expenses would be subtracted from our gross profit in order to get our net income. Okay, I'm going to let you try the rest of these on your own, and I will have a link in the module to the answers. All right, good luck.